Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a punching knockback tool for your Roblox game. I use these in most of my round-based games where the players can purchase upgrades and tools to help them win the game. But you can use it for a lot of different things. First thing you need is your punch. I just use this boxing glove, but you can go into the toolbox and look for boxing glove and then add in whatever you need, or you can probably put punch tool and then you'll see hammers, but I'll have the link for this model in the description if you just want to use this one. But then next we're gonna make a tool and then put that handle into the tool and then set the primary part of the tool to be the handle, and then we're gonna go into this plugin here, Tool Grip Editor, which I'll have in the description, and then we're just going to click Edit Tool Grip. This plugin makes sure that when your players are holding the tool, it's actually positioned correctly. So we're just going to adjust this to be on the end of the hand, like a boxing glove, and then we're going to make sure it looks good. Move that up a little, and there we go. It's not perfect, but it's good enough since this isn't for an actual game. The next thing we're going to do is I'm just going to name this punch, and then I'm going to add in a script and a local script and a remote event, and then that should be all. We'll start with the local script, which will do local mouse equals game.players.localplayer get mouse, and then local tool is script.parent, and then local cooldown is equal to false. And we'll do tool.activated connect function, local owner equals tool.parent, tool.handle.touched connect function hit, and then we'll say if hit.parent find first child humanoid and hit.parent is not equal to owner and not cooldown, then we'll say we can print, we'll print the parent's name just to make sure that we're actually getting the right thing, and then we'll do script.parent.remote event fire server hit.parent, and then cooldown equals true. And we'll go down to here, and then cooldown equals false, just to make sure they can't spam it. And then we can also add in a sound effect right here. We'll put a sound right here, and then in the script we can just say script.soundplay, and then we can go into our audio and then grab a punch sound effect. That's good. And then we'll just put that into there, and that should be good. And then we'll move over to our script. So in the script, we're gonna say local tool equals script.parent, script.parent.remote event, on server event connect function player victim, and then the victim will just be the person that we're hitting. So we'll say if victim dot humanoid root part dot position minus player dot character dot humanoid root part dot position dot we can do dot magnitude is less than or equal to 4, and not player dot character dot find first child push force and not victim find first child, and then I think we can put, hold on, there we go, and then we can put, let me zoom out or zoom in, make it easier to read, and to make sure it's right, if, okay, and not victim find first child push force, then we'll move down to the next line. That is a long line, so I'll zoom out just so you can see the full line right now, make it a little bit easier to write. But next we'll do, we need to make push force, so local push force equals instance.new body velocity, and then we'll say push force dot name is equal to push force, and then push force dot max force equals vector3.new, and this will be the amount of knockback force. I think 100 million is a good amount. That's usually what I've been using for mine, but you can adjust that if you don't want them to get knocked back as much. And then we'll say push force dot velocity is equal to minus victim dot humanoid root part dot c-frame dot look vector, and then times 100, and then push force dot parent equals victim dot humanoid root part, and then we'll say weight 0.01 push force destroy. And then we can also do an animation if you wanted to do an animation, but we don't really need that. So I'll go ahead and drag this punch tool into starter pack, and then I'll do a local test with 2 players. We're unanchored now, so I'm player 1 right here spinning around. I can walk up to player 2, and then I click on them, and then it knocks them back whenever if the tool punches them and I click, then it will knock them back. If I just touch them with it, it won't. So you just have to click on the player. And then you can also change your cooldown if you don't want the sound effect to play like that. Or you can, what I usually do is I just pick a longer sound effect, which makes it a lot easier, then you don't even have to worry about adding another cooldown. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe. And if you need any scripting support or anything, my Discord link will be in the description.